Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Windows 11 computer, step by step. Whether you just got a new pair of wireless headphones or you're switching from a wired setup, this guide will help you get connected in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your PC. First, let's make sure your PC has Bluetooth and it's turned on. Click on the Start menu and go to Settings. In the left panel, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched on. If Bluetooth is off, just tap the switch to turn it on. Step 2. Put your headphones into pairing mode. Now it's time to make your headphones discoverable. Usually, this means pressing and holding the power or Bluetooth button until you hear a tone or see a blinking light. Check your headphone manual if you're not sure, but most headphones use this method. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, they should be ready to connect. Step 3. Add a Bluetooth device on Windows 11. Now, back to your computer. In the Bluetooth and Devices settings window, click Add Device. A new window will pop up. Click on Bluetooth. Windows will now search for nearby devices. Wait a few seconds, and you should see your headphones appear in the list. Click on the name of your headphones. Windows will now connect and pair with them. You might hear a confirmation sound or voice in the headphones, or a message on your screen saying Connected. Step 4. Set headphones as default audio output if needed. That's it. You've now connected your Bluetooth headphones to your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Got questions or your headphones aren't connecting? Drop a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.